Before jumping in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads. Welcome back, Perfect Plants family. Today we're going to show you how to make your own self-sustaining terrarium. If done properly, your closed terrarium will mimic the natural water cycle, eliminating the need for you to ever open and manually water it again. Let's talk about the materials you'll need. You'll need some potting mix. We recommend the Perfect Plants organic potting mix. You'll also need horticultural charcoal to assist in draining excess moisture. We also have some available on our website. For the base of the terrarium, you'll need small pebbles, which we sourced from right here on our nursery. You'll also need a mesh-like material that can be cut into the shape of the bottom of your container. This acts as a false bottom that will also assist in draining and help avoid root rot. And finally, you'll need a glass container with a lid, water, and of course some small plants of your choosing. Now let's get to the layering. Start by adding the pebbles and leveling them out on the bottom of your container. Next, add your mesh over the top of the pebbles. It's okay if it doesn't lay perfectly flat at first. It will be weighed down with the rest of the materials. Next, add a layer of charcoal, just enough to cover the mesh false bottom. Now begin filling the container with potting mix. This layer can be about 2 to 3 inches thick depending on the size of your glass container. Be sure to level it out. Now you can prepare your plants. Remove them from their original container and massage the root ball to loosen it before planting. Dig a small hole for your plants and place them in the container. Begin backfilling with soil. Be sure that all the roots are covered and the plants are secure in their new location. Next, you can mist your plants to get them nice and hydrated before closing your container. Place in a sunny spot on your desk or wherever you want to showcase your newest creation. This makes the perfect low-maintenance gift for your friends with black thumbs. Tag us on social media and show us your terrariums. We'll be sure to include our links in the description. Until next time, happy planting!